the ground.
You're awesome is what you are. Good job, little man. I love you, dude. You crack me up, but I love you.
Didn't crack me down.
I made a great movie of you getting down that.
Did you make a movie of me getting up it?
No, I didn't see you climb up. By the time I came out, you were already up to the roof. Hey, but Goof, next time let me know before you do that, okay? Thanks. Love you, buddy.